Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a job which you think is perfect for you. You should say what job this is. Why did you select this job? What skills are required to do this job? And explain why you think this job is perfect for you.
One job that I believe would be perfect for me is a software developer. Software developers are responsible for designing, developing, and maintaining software applications for various devices such as computers, mobile phones, and tablets. I selected this job because I enjoy working with technology and creating new things. Additionally, software development is a rapidly growing field with numerous job opportunities, and I find the work intellectually stimulating and challenging. The skills required for software development include proficiency in programming languages such as Java, Python, problem-solving skills, attention to detail, and the ability to work collaboratively. Good communication skills are also necessary as developers often work in teams and need to communicate effectively with clients and colleagues. I think software development would be perfect for me because it aligns with my interests, and I have a strong aptitude for problem solving and attention to detail. Additionally, the field is constantly evolving, providing opportunities to learn and grow. As an AI language model, I am programmed to learn and improve, so I believe that my skills would be well suited to the demands of this job. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.